Look at my crazy dog. He's taking a snow bath. Jake, what the heck are you doing? You feel better?
He was just rolling in that shit.
What are you doing, puppy? Come here.
Got snow on your hands.
He's looking at Steve. Look at my crazy dog. He loves the snow. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you playing, Jake? Jake, did you take a snow bath? Huh?
What was that? Unless he got something.
Hold him. Hey, Jake. Hey, talk to Mama. What are you doing? Speak.
Tell Mama.
Are you having fun? You want to go play in the snow? Tell Daddy to let you go play. Just another minute.
Get on that man. Hey, come here.
Okay. It's not his thing. He didn't want the ball, did he?
Get the ball.
Tell Daddy make up his mind. You funny hound.
Give me that ball. Give me that.
It's hard to follow him on this little big camera.
What?
It's hard to follow him on this little camera. Jake, do you love the snow? Huh? Tell Daddy you're mad at him for letting the snow cream melt.
Hell, he couldn't even know what.
Love the snow. Everybody say bye. Say bye, Jake. Speak, boy. Say bye. No, I always want to play.